Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I just want to take a minute to brag about the cutest planter I have ever owned. This little guy has brought so much joy to my life and added a bit of cheer to my kitchen with his little smile and his whimsical vibe. This adorable planter from Camotank comes in 2 different sizes. I have the large one, and when I first got him, I was kind of overwhelmed with the possibilities of what I could put in him and where I could put him in my house. I decided to repot my money plant, and I'm so happy with the results. My money plant is happy and healthy in this little planter. He has a drainage hole at the bottom and plenty of space to plant whatever you choose. I also love the durable material that it's made out of. I can put him inside or outside on my porch, and I have a busy life with kids and pets, and I have peace of mind knowing that this little planter can keep up with my hectic life. I love the attention to details on this planter, the bright colors on his guitar, and his sweet little smile. He just looks so cute in every place that I put him. So if you're ready to add a little cuteness to your decor, or you're looking for an awesome gift for a friend, then you've found it in this adorable planter from Camotank.
And that's my point of view.